Okay, so it's time for video F. Here we go, and we're going on to problem number 11. So here's our heading, math. Yeah, math 108, spring 21 review. Sorry about that. Exam 3 review F, number 11. Okay, so let's say you have a budget, a company budget pie chart. Company budget pie chart. Here is what it looks like. It's supposed to be one word. Pie chart. Okay, fine. So here's what it looks like. I got to make it a little bit bigger so you can see what I'm saying here. So the support, whatever is costs, is support is 20% of their budget. Okay, media is 3%. Media is 3%. The next one, editorial, whatever that means. Editorial is 7%. Their engineering division, engineering, is 20%. Okay, their sales is 11%. And their research, right, this is not to scale at all, I can't do one to scale, is 39%. Okay, those are the numbers. Their total budget is $100 million. They could easily give you a harder number than that. They could give you $1,333 million and make the numbers harder, but you have a calculator to deal with it. Okay, so the total budget is 100 million. Here's the question. What's the amount for engineering, media, they want a dollar amount, media and editorial combined. Editorial combined. That's the question. Okay, so the answer is engineering is 20%. What's 20% of 100 million? So go to your calculator and multiply times scrap paper times 0.2, right? That's 20% is 0.2 when you change it into decimal. So you multiply times 0.2 and you'll see, but you don't really have to figure it out. It's very easy numbers. It's going 20% is going to be 20 million. Okay, so that's 20%. Well, how much is media? 3%. That's going to be, go multiply times 0.03. Multiply times 0.03, not 3, but 0.03, and you will get 3 million. 3 million. And finally, what about editorial multiplied times 0.07? 0.07, right? You move the decimal place 2 places to the left, 0.07, and you will see that you'll get 7 million. Okay, add those all up together, and you get 30 million, and that is the answer for this question combined. Okay, that's it for this question. Let's now go to problem number 12. I need a new piece of paper for this to work out. Okay. We're not saving this. We are going to a new piece of paper. All right, here comes number 12. Again, a lot of writing. A lot of writing. Okay, so we're given temperatures, and we're given raw data temperatures, and they happen to be in Fahrenheit. It doesn't really matter. Here they come. We've got 6 on a line, 3 lines, 6 on a line. 112, 116, 99, 115, 117, 114. Next line. 105, 103, 113, 100, 103, 106. Third line, last line, 110, 118, 95, 108, 102, and 109. Okay, Alex has a button that will have that button of send data to calculator. Send data to calculator, and then you can sort it. We talked about that, how you can sort it and you can get it all in order. All right, so the first thing, so you can click on that button and it'll send it to the calculator, and then you click on the sort button on the calculator and it'll sort it in order, in ascending order. First of all, complete the group data. Complete group data. Group frequency distribution. Grouped frequency distribution. That's A. All right, so it looks like this. They set up the table. They set up the table for you, and what they have is, we're supposed to put in the frequencies. That's what they're waiting for. What does it go from? From 94.5 to 100.5. From 100.5 to 106.5. From 106.5 to 112.5, 112.5 to 118.5. Okay, go look it up. You go do the thing. I'm going to tell you what the answers are. Between 94.5 and 100.5, there's 3 of them. Go look up between 105 and 106.5. You'll see that there's 5 of them. Count them up. 106.5 to 112.5, there's 4 of them. And 112.5 to 118.5, there's 6 of them. Those are the numbers that Alex wants from you. All right, that was A. B. They want you to, using classes, right? Using classes. From A, using the classes from A, we have them in A. They have classes, those are classes. So then draw a frequency polygon. Okay, label each class with midpoint. Label with the midpoints. So here's what they want over here. Okay, they looks like this. It looks like this. This is going to be the frequencies from, let me move up the paper. Let me move up the paper. Yeah. So the frequencies will come down, come about to around here, and then here's the x-axis. Frequencies are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then they'll have a little box over here. They'll have a little box over here where they want you to put in the first of the they want the 97.5 is the midpoint. They want you to use the midpoint, right? So what's the midpoint between 94.5 and 100.5? There's 6. 94 and 100.5 is 6. So divided by 2, that's 3. So the midpoint is going to be 97.5. That's what they want you labeled here. They want you to have 107.5 over here, 109.5 over here, and they want you to have 115.5 over here. Midpoint between 112 and 118, that's 6. 3, add 3, add 3, add 3. There's your midpoints. Okay, now here's what you got to do with Alex. You've got to, this is for B. This is all for B. You got to pick up, there's a little black thing, there'll be a little black thing over here. And you pick it up, you click on it and pick it up. Let me put the instructions right over here. Pick up black, the black point by, I'm giving you this first example, 97.5. And where do you pick it up? Pick it up to 3, and then it'll form a box. You'll get a polygon. You'll get a box there. It'd be like a bar graph that we talked about in class. And you pick it up to 3, and then you up to 3 frequency, and then you let go, and you bring it up to 3, to the 3 frequency, and it'll give you a box. Then you pick up the next one. You pick up the 107.5. Pick this up. Pick that up to 5. Pick that up to 5, and then you get your next box. Right? Pick up then pick up 107.5, the next one, to 5 frequency, and you'll get the next box. And that's what you keep doing. And then the next one here, this one you pick up to, you bring it up to the 4 frequency. This one you bring up to the 6 frequency. You bring it up to 6, and you'll get all your boxes. And the Alex will basically be drawing this for you. That is problem number 12 done. It took us to the bottom line there. Okay, so we may have time a little bit for number 3. No, we don't want to close that completely. Actually, we do. I'm sorry. I'm going to close this. We don't want the picture. And we've got to go to, we've done 12. We need number 13. Okay. So, number 13. Actually, it's just not worth it. We won't have time. I might as well stop recording here.